we look at the detail of that, in fact, maybe we should do that for just a moment. What I want you to do here now is to go to the page, that's the green one, pull up the green one, like so, pull up the green one, and on the, first of all, let's look at the form part of it, the back, not the instructions, not the guided practice, form part, all right? So you'll see that the first portion of this is already filled in for you. The broad topic is learning. So the research that you're actually going to be producing is about learning. We've talked about today a number of things about learning, and in fact, this project is going to be about learning. So the broad topic is learning, and then it says questions at the heart of EDUC 1300. And you see these two questions, which there's been a lot of discussions from faculty members and various people. And to this point, here's what we believe is the most important questions that sit at the heart of this course you're taking. Okay? And that is to make it not just something you do for a grade and move on with something that actually is valuable, but something that actually prepares you for life, for professional life, and for success. And so the questions are these. How do I know when I've learned something for myself? How do I know it? How do I know it? That's the big question. That's what you want to point your brain at. How do I know? When you get out of this place, it's not going to be it's not really going to do you very much good to be able to know how to do a multiple choice test, because that only happens in school. When you get out of here, it's going to be important for you to know when you've learned something. And then the second part of that, of course, is how do I demonstrate to others that I've learned. Now, as you look down the form, I want everybody to be looking at the form, because this is important. I'm giving you some information you'll need to complete the assignment. Part A, what is learning? What you're going to do is look for 3 different and distinct definitions of learning. Learning itself. You're going to start by doing that. And it has definition 1 and 2 and 3. The instructions will show you which sources to use, what you can use, and you're going to want to put just right in that box 3 different definitions. Make sure they are in fact different. You'll find that you'll begin to see things that sound a whole lot alike. So I want you to work hard at finding 3 different definitions. In fact, I'll even say that there's going to be a bias in favor of behavioral definitions of learning. I want you to look hard for other ways of thinking about learning. And then you'll just simply record that information in blocks. Definition 1, definition 2, and definition 3. Where it says part B, notice what it says. It says underline keywords or phrases in the definitions above, just like we did earlier in this class. Do that first. Then identify the 2 or 3 most important concepts that will be used in your well-focused research question, and record those concepts in the box below that. Finally, at Part C, it says, now you're going to need to decide on something that you don't understand about learning or that you'd like to research. And it gives you 2 spots to do a little personal brainstorming. Come up with one question, the first question, write it down. Come up with another possibility. Maybe the first one won't work out. Write it down. And then it says with Part D, sharing and refining your questions. Okay? And you really need to get with another person, get with a group member or somebody, and sort of toss this around so that you can come up with, and this is really your goal, at the very bottom where it says Part E, your final research question after this process, and all this process is intended to help you get to, it's called pre-research, that's why it's called that, helps you to get to that final research question. Now this is the part you need to get. You may not get it if you're not paying attention. So you're going to write it here, that last question that you come up with after that refining process. Then you're going to take that very same question and move it over to box A. So you're doing pre-research to help think it through, and the result of that process is a well-focused question. You're then going to take that well-focused question and simply slot it into the box A, Part A, they call it. Okay? And then you do the research.